guys, it's Stephanie from My Porch Prints. Welcome back to our channel. We're so glad you're here. Today we're going to be making these clusters, and these are for your junk journal. They're kind of cute little clusters of, fussy cuts and little words and things. And the cool thing about these is that they actually swivel open to reveal some secret writing space behind them. They're really easy to make, but they have a lot of just, I think, wow factor. They're really pretty. So let's go ahead and get these printed out and we'll put them together. So to begin with, I printed out all of my pieces on cardstock, and the fussy cut images I did cut using CRICUT, and we have a tutorial for that. I'll go ahead and link that down below in the video description. And I used some of the fussy cuts from the Rose Garden Cottage kit, as well as some of the ephemera pieces. And then these pieces are actually a freebie. There should be a link down below for this as well for you today. And these are just some swivel cards. So one has some writing on it, or some, writing space, some lines. And then another one is blank. And the idea is that the blank one will go over the top of the lined one, and then it'll swivel open so that you can use the writing space that's kind of hidden underneath your cluster. So we're gonna start by putting these together. What you wanna do is make sure your lines are, where you want them. And then go ahead and sandwich this piece over the top, and then we're going to punch a hole, and that's where our brad will go. And I've got these mini brads. We have an Amazon influencer shop, and you'll find a link to that down below, and it will have some of the items that we use, like these mini brads and our distress ink. And then this is a 1/16 punch, and it's just a really tiny little hole punch that works well for these. So again, just make sure you've got it where you want it. And something you can do also is put this lined one on top so that you don't accidentally, put your hole in the wrong place. You want it right here at the top. And actually, I would say this is the top because there's a little more writing space right here than, right here. There's not very much. So we'll make that the top. And what I'm gonna do is just punch a hole, give myself just a little bit of clearance here. And punch a hole right there. And then I'm gonna go ahead and switch these because I want my blank one on top. And I'm gonna put my brad through and through. Just like that. And then we'll open it up on the back side here. So now we've got a cool little swivel. And we're gonna do that with all of these. I printed 8 actually, but 4 sets here. And then we're going to decorate them. So let's go ahead and finish putting them together. Okay, so we've made our little swivel pieces. And now we can go ahead and decorate them. And you might find that these turn a little bit. If you want, you could add a dab of glue back here, or even cover the back, maybe trace it onto some pretty paper and then just, glue that right over the top of it if you want to. But to begin with, we're gonna just kind of build a simple little layered cluster. And, just find some coordinating pieces that work well, that you like. And then just keep in mind that it is going to swivel, so if you have something glued up top here, it could cover this, if you have something like right here. So just keep that in mind. So for clusters, it's really just a matter of building some layers and kind of deciding how you want it to look. There's no right or wrong way. And if you ask me, what method do you use? There's really not a method I use for this. It's more just about balancing things out so that there isn't, too much in one area. And once you think you have things kind of where you want them, you can glue it down. And I'm just going to use a little bit of mounting tape on the back of this piece to make it stand up a little bit. And then this will swivel to reveal the writing space underneath. And you can glue this into your journal or put it into a pocket, or you can even paper clip it to the side of a page. But let's go ahead and just make a few more. Okay, we're all finished with our swivel clusters, and I think they turned out really beautiful. It's not a very difficult project, but it has a lot of wow and punch. And you can go ahead and add it to your journal by maybe tucking it into a pocket, or if you want to, grab yourself a paper clip and you can clip it to the side of a journal page, just like this. There we go. And you've got a cute little hidden writing space in your journal. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this project. Please remember to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, because we have lots of fun events and giveaways and freebies and projects like this. And leave a comment down below. Let us know what you thought of this project. We'll see you guys next time. Bye.